Have you ever wondered what your favorite celebrities did before they became rich and famous? From flipping burgers to working odd jobs, many stars had surprisingly normal beginnings. In this video, we'll take a look at the jobs celebrities had before they made it big and how much they earned. All the data in this video is gathered from their interviews and extensive online research to give you the most accurate insights. So, get ready for some surprising revelations about the early careers of today's biggest stars. Let's dive in. Jake Gyllenhaal, George Clooney, Chris Pine, Cardi B, Lea Seydoux, Chris Evans, Michael Jordan, Tobey Maguire, Dwayne Johnson, Jeremy Renner, Jason Statham, Scarlett Johansson, Ana Reguera, Pierce Brosnan, Will Smith, Woody Harrelson, Ewan McGregor, Adam Sandler, Nicki Minaj, Jennifer Lawrence, Eva Green, Nicole Kidman, Jessica Biel, Leonardo DiCaprio, Jamie Foxx, Nicolas Cage, Johnny Depp, Antonio Banderas, Emily Blunt, Daniel Radcliffe, Kevin Hart, Ashley Tisdale, Kate Hudson, Idris Elba, Olga Kurylenko, Maggie Grace, Russell Crowe, Brad Pitt, Gal Gadot, Ethan Hawke, Orlando Bloom, Amanda Seyfried, Gerard Butler, Tom Hardy, Chris Pratt, Sylvester Stallone, Bradley Cooper, Danielle Panabaker. Thanks for watching. Next video coming soon.